One, two, three, four. So I'm going to show you on the iPod Touch, 8 GB. I'm going to show you how to fart. It's the Atomic Fart app. You just go to the App Store, just type in Atomic Fart. It's free. So I'm going to give you some sounds. So if you can see here, this is Atomic Fart, and then you hit launch if you want to go to the drums, and you can fart. And then you can go to times and then hit launch, and it will have a countdown. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. And then it lets one. You have a fart list. Those are some fart sounds for you guys.